And in this video we'll talk about how to use YouTube Shorts to convert new followers. And for that you need to use relatable video feature. What you can do is make a video that is related with your audience, and you can also look for tell you why it works. It creates a one-click bridge to your main account where viewers are more likely to hit the subscribe button. And another thing what you can do is use 3-second hook, and we'll call it context bridge. Shorts viewer have zero patience. You must hook them and let them. Shorts viewer have zero patience. You must hook them and then explain who you are, and slowly without slowing down. Shorts viewer have zero patience. You must have to hook them and then explain who you are without slowing down. The hook should start with a question or visual payoff immediately. And in the mid video use quick text overlay like more topic. On the mid video use a quick topic, and in the mid video use a quick text overlay more like and in the mid video use a quick text overlay like more topic on my channel or daily topic tips here. And don't forget to subscribe us or something like that in the last. Another thing I would like to mention is consistent series branding. Viewers follow when they know what to expect next. Create a series, use a consistent title format, for example day 5 of something something something, or recurring visual theme. And also what you can do is use the same font and color so that your subscriber can know that this is that guy, or this is the channel I've been looking for. And you can also, and let me mention a pro tip: check your YouTube analytics, then go on contents, then on settings to see subscriber gained metric for each video. Double down on the style of shorts that has the highest conversation. Double down on the style of the short that has the highest conversion rate, not just the highest view. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us. I hope this video helped you out, and this is how you use YouTube Shorts to convert new followers. And thank you for watching.